All right, guys, so a little change of pace today. Working in a commercial space, removing some of these troffer lights and putting up some wafer lights. So just did a time lapse of it, again, because it was a pretty lengthy process. We ended up doing the whole office, which I will tell you guys here later, but just wanted to show you a little bit of the process of it. We reused some of the whips that we took down from the old troffers, but I think it ended up looking pretty clean once we got it all done. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy and let me know if you like the style video. So did a quick time lapse of
I'm sure you already knew that.
us removing these old fluorescent lighting fixtures and putting up some wafers. Customer wanted that in their new chiropractic office, so I just want to give you a quick update. We did that throughout the entire office. So you can see here, it's got a nice clean look now.
Oh, sweet. 216. You see how
We got some ceiling tiles we still have to replace from removing those old fluorescents, but and this is what they all used to look like, are these big fluorescents. So this looks much cleaner. Customer's happy. We're gonna end up doing those in all these offices as well. But just a quick update.